What's the matter? Oh, the little deer! Oh, what happened? So this is what it's like for me to try to let Kara out. The snow is literally pouring in the door. And you gotta push, and you gotta push, and you gotta make a little trail, and you gotta push. And my boots are almost to my knee. And this is what it looks like when I stand in my boots outside the back door. It's all the way over my boots. Come on, Kara! Oh, and here comes the deer. And this, what Kara's standing on, is where Nate plowed. And so the plowed area is about this high on my boot, halfway up my boot. Kara, come back! And there comes the deer. And that's my door. And there's my water meter completely buried. And you can't really see, but that's the hill that Nate plowed up. Kara's running around like a jackass. It's up to her belly back there, but you can't really see her. Come on! Come on! And she seems to like it. This is what it takes to shut the door. You have to kick all this snow down here that's piled. And then you gotta kick all this snow out. And then when you try to shut the door, all the snow that you just dug away comes back inside. And now the back door doesn't want to shut. There's so much snow. Well, it would help if I turned the lock. There's so much snow behind the door that it literally won't shut. That's as far as it goes. You can't push it anymore because there's so much snow caught in it.